This is GIGABYTE G5 series gaming laptop. It's lightweight, it's very simplistic design, and it's thin. Powered by Intel i5-11 Gen processor and RTX 30 series GPUs. And this is all you require for your essential work and play. What about cooling, you say? It comes with WindForce technology cooling. Need a clear glance of enemy? Get IPS-Level display with 144Hz refresh rate. It has backlit keys with 15 preset LED settings. G5 comes with 16 GB RAM, not 8 but 16. This comes with Gen 4 SSD for faster loading speeds. And get faster lag-free connection with 556 technology.